Welcome back to Product Critique, where today we're diving into the world of Monster Jam with the ultimate playset. The Monster Jam Megalodon Monster Wash. If you're looking for the best in monster truck fun, this is it.
This isn't just any playset, it's a colossal 3 feet long monster wash, complete with everything you need to keep your Megalodon truck ready for action.
Let's break down why this set stands out. First up, the Monster Wash playset features a lifelike car wash experience. You can roll your Megalodon truck up the ramp, send it through the power wash for a deep clean,
and spin it dry just like a real monster truck in action.
Watch as the color-changing Megalodon truck transforms before your eyes.
Dunk it in warm water to magically remove dirt stains, then splash it with cold water to make it dirty again. It's endless fun.
Plus, if you're into collecting, this playset is compatible with other 1:64 scale color change Monster Jam trucks. Collect them all to expand your Monster Jam universe. Now, let's talk build quality.
The Monster Wash is sturdy and well designed, with spinning brushes, a conveyor belt, and realistic details that enhance the play experience. It's built to withstand the toughest of playtimes. Designed for kids aged 3 and up, this playset is not just a toy, it's an adventure. Priced competitively, it offers great value for what you get, making it an excellent gift for any young Monster Jam fan.
In conclusion, the Monster Jam Megalodon Monster Wash playset is a standout in the world of interactive toys.
From its impressive size to the realistic car wash features and the thrill of color-changing action, it delivers on all fronts.
If you're ready to take your Monster Jam playtime to the next level or looking for the perfect gift, check out the link in the description to get yours today.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews like this.
Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Product Critique.